cause I might got it out the streets. I keep 100 racks inside my jeans. I remember hitting them all with a whole team. Now, can't so cold cause I'm home.
What's up, IC gang? It's your girl Talia /ICT, and I'm back once again, guys, with another video. And today is my birthday. Oh, can you leave my pen? Where's that? I have a birthday pen, but I don't know where it's at. It's in there somewhere. We're gonna find it in a minute. But today we are gonna be going out to eat, but we don't really know where. Let's get it out of here. We don't really know where. Listen. We don't really know where we're going, but we're about to go out right now. And here, come on, everybody, so y'all can introduce yourself.
I'm Demetra, aka her best friend.
And then just like her brother and her sister. But they're sitting down on their phones and stuff. You got to see them later on in the video. And my dad and my mom, my sister. I'm gonna go out to eat. And yeah. And yeah, so today we're gonna be going out to eat. And then this is like only like part one of my birthday because we have an actual birthday party. I mean, not a birthday party, but like people are coming with us. We're going ice skating. And yeah. I'll tell you in a minute. And yeah. But we're about to get right into this video, and I guess I'll be after you guys once we get in a car on our way to where we're going. Alright, y'all, we are here now, and we doing a seafood boil because it was actually like one of the stations that actually said seafood boil, and all of us got our food. And this is what they look like. I know y'all didn't see them in the video. We all eat it. And these are good. Yeah. And we started already. And we all got some drinks too. And just be aware that all of us are probably gonna be getting seconds. More than seconds. Thirds, fourths, fifths. Exactly. 10th. No, that's too much. 18th. Hundreds. Yo, we go.
You think I'm playing?
That's funny. But for real, to the max, we're probably gonna get like thirds. Like, I'm being dead serious. We came here for their birthday, and we definitely got like 4 surf fifths. Yeah.
Y'all got birthday fish. I got like
seconds.
I really only got like 1, because I got 1 crab leg, and I was full, and then I got fruit, so that didn't really count.
But all of us, Demetrius, we kept on getting crab legs.
Literally, that's what I ate. That's what
Here, y'all can have one of the mini bitches right now.
Okay, that makes sense.
Yeah, I guess you guys can only see me in the video. We're sitting on different sides of the table, so. Yeah, but y'all can hear them talking.
You said what?
I got some California rolls too.
Thank you.
They eat regular.
I hate when people do that.
What?
Oh my god. Because I haven't ate this. She got it from the video. It's not. No, I didn't. This is what to do.
Last time we ate this was on their birthday. And it was so good.
No, you don't know if we ate it or not. Oh no, the last time I ate it was when I was with Lola.
Oh yeah, you did tell me you went there. But the last time that all of us
with Layla?
Yeah.
I did not know she knew what this place was.
You know, Demetra told her.
I don't know nobody that know this place.
Yeah, I told her a long time ago.
Went to Packers.
Their grandparents and stuff like it.
No, her grandpa don't like seafood.
Wow. Seafood is
So he didn't come?
He came.
But because it's not all seafood here. Just regular food. Man, that's lame. The only reason you should go after these is for seafood, man.
But what happened after that day?
That's Journey's only.
Good ain't it?
Especially the
Did you want to taste the shrimp together?
This from good.
dog what?
You gotta peel it off.
But you gotta look exactly.
Yeah, you gotta peel the skin off. We doing a seafood boil. Wanna say hi?
Oh, you making a video?
Look.
Yeah, I know y'all probably like, chill, slow down. Y'all, it's so good.
Look, you gotta suck it.
Yeah, and there's juice inside of it.
Y'all telling them every detail. Jesus. Yeah, because the place we at and everything.
Yeah.
Next minute you know, somebody pulling up.
It's not gonna be like we gonna post this video before we leave.
She's gonna have to do a lot of editing.
Why?
Literally. When I was they over here giving me all these broken, paralyzed shrimp. I mean, crabs. And I was like, I was so mad. I've never eaten it.
Oh, it is now.
You wanna try this?
What?
The crab?
Yeah.
The corn?
Not
You wanna try the crab?
Oh.
Neve, you ready?
Oh yeah, hold on, let me get this.
Me and Neve both got it and we like didn't know how to eat it. I think we're supposed to eat the.
Right when I
I
said
think we're
I'm
supposed to
not
eat the. I think we're supposed to eat
Because he
the.
said it's nasty. Yeah.
Nasty.
Is it?
Are we supposed
We
to break
think a
this?
lot of stuff good, so I think she don't think it's
Are we
good.
supposed to break this off? I'm supposed to eat this.
You gotta take the skin off, duh.
But I can't. You take the skin off. I'm taking the whole. Oh no, it's too hard. It don't taste like shrimp. It tastes nasty.
I can't believe we like eating crabs.
Oh, it's not that bad.
Good. It's nasty.
How you gonna talk? Javon like eating pig feet.
I don't like it.
We used to eat pig feet.
I'm gonna eat this though. I know I probably don't like this because it's just shrimp.
When have we ever ate pig? Why would you eat pig feet? You never wouldn't eat that. Just because of the name. You wouldn't eat that.
I'm not eating no like random animal. Oh, pig. Oh yeah, I want that. Some people like eating rabbit. That's hard too. I don't like that either. We looking for silverware. We already got silverware at our table. My hair's just dirty. Oh, what's in here? I'll
Let's
probably
see
put
if they
that.
got some sauce or something.
Yeah, I'll put that.
What they do?
It's a shell.
Look, alright. Got somebody trying to poison.
Yeah,
You know they got
because I would have been able to see this as soon as she got
For
it.
crab.
Ooh, choose.
Where is that? Nevaeh, you gonna show him where the sauce at for the crab leg? You got my stuff mom at? Huh? You got my stuff mom at? That's not for sauce.
Girl, I don't even know where it says, so how am I gonna show him?
It's right next to the where you get the crab leg at.
Okay.
That little yellow stuff?
Yeah, that's butter.
Butter?
That's not for crab leg.
Yes, it is.
You can't put it on that. Butterfish. What? Do y'all want this?
Yeah, that's good. That's the best meat.
Right, that's what I'm about to say. That's the meatiest part. I think, which one do you think is better? The boiled crab leg?
No, regular crab legs.
I like seafood. If we would have went to Juicy Crab, you would have fell in love with it. You would have wanted to go there every day.
Seafood.
Juicy seafood. Yeah.
Dang, Mom. I can't really gonna be talking because you know we all getting some more after this. What is these little?
My cousin paralyzed. I'm getting some fun just to get extra crab.
They'll do this and they gonna walk it over. It's baby stuff.
Right.
Yeah. All you gotta do is like say this. If I if you want some more and I don't want no more, I just go get some more. I do over there. Who eats crab legs too?
Almost everybody that comes here.
Right.
So people who don't like
Exactly.
seafood.
I was about to say it because her, the girl, Daddy didn't want to eat nothing.
Who? Oh, Lola.
Yeah. I was about to say
I got an extra fork. I need it.
Yeah.
You can use my fork because I don't need my fork. I use my fork for nothing special.
I want that.
Ooh. Mhm.
Especially the
I love the
ones.
ones that we opened and it had all the meat in it, like this one.
Oh, and I love when
Mhm.
and when you pull it out.
It's really good, actually.
And especially when you pull it out and it all come out, bro.
Yeah.
that's the best.
Get the fat meat.
Time for me to go get seconds for this. No, we gotta wait.
Wait for everybody, exactly. Don't go.
Let me get one in.
Oh, no, that's a good one. That's the good one. This is the good one, y'all, with the claw.
Yeah, and the fat part right here be having a whole bunch.
It don't have the most meat, but you know, like,
It be having a whole lot of.
I'm not really tripping about
out of the
giving her
whole
that
fat-
food because, you know,
besides the top part, that you having the other. That's like the second part.
Exactly, the top part, it had this white part, got all the meat in it. Like, all you gotta do is dig deep and it gonna have all
Right,
the
and
meat in
plus,
it.
I kind of like this one better than the top part because it come out as a whole better. The other one you gotta dig the meat out of it and stuff.
I got a whole thing, like, what was it?
Y'all, like, I feel like when you eat at a restaurant where they serve you, you get full after they serve you, but here, you gotta make sure you don't eat nothing before you come here, because you know we finna smash all the food.
Well, I'm glad I ain't eat nothing because I ain't ate nothing all day.
Exactly, I ain't ate nothing since lunch.
What did I eat for lunch? Oh yeah, we had some good stuff today. We had some chicken nuggets, but the chicken nuggets don't be all that.
Exactly. I didn't even eat that like that.
We had
No, the
Sloppy
chicken nuggets
Joe.
be good. And Cam got to try to say they was nasty.
We had Sloppy Joe.
I bet they had some.
Yesterday we had Chinese food.
We have Chinese food too, though.
Who is it? Oh. Yeah, I'm getting all these calls. I'm just playing, but yeah, stop saying it.
But that was my first time saying that.
No, it wasn't.
Thank
you.
Because I want to clean plate.
Hey, I think I did say it this morning.
Thank you.
Happy birthday to you.
No, stop.
Happy birthday.
Alright, y'all, so we about to leave now. I just had some marshmallows and some vanilla wafers. We're about to leave now. I still look like that. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. We're about to go back home. And this is so
How
watered
you
down.
don't notice if you did eat?
Yeah, we about to leave.
Here, you know the word.
And I hope you guys enjoyed this video.
Let me see.
Peace. And I guess I'll be back with Volume Day 18 tomorrow. Stay saucy.